YouTube? Man, it's your boy Ty, back with another video. So in today's video, what I'm going to be going over is the easiest way to make money in 2022 and 2023. So first, before we get started, man, make sure that y'all go to my channel. Make sure that you like and hit that subscribe button, so that way you can stay up to date with what's going on. But just to make this real quick, I'm about to just dive straight into the opportunity. So with this opportunity, with Forex, we have an EA. It's a high frequency trader. It can actually pass your phases for you. If you watch some of my other content before, what I put out before this, I'll also leave the link in the description below. But in my other videos, I'll show you challenges that I've passed for other traders and help them become funded traders. So once you sign up, you will have to go to one of these two prop firms. That's the ones that the robot works with. Me personally, I use First Class Forex funds. This is the one that I use. So what you would do is you will go to this website. First, I'll take you on the website, First Class Forex. So you'll basically just go over to this website, and then you'll click on Start Evaluation. Once you click on Start Evaluation, from here you can decide which account size it is that you like. The smallest one is 25,000, and it goes all the way up to 500,000. And the largest that you can get will be 1 million, which would be combining these two. Right here is the rules, and I also have another video on my page as well that it basically explains these rules, explains what a prop firm is. But that's in another video, so I'm not going to really touch base into it in this video. But basically what you would do is you would decide which account size it is that you like and which one fits your budget. So once you go through, and let's just say that for this video you selected the $100,000 account, you will choose MetaTrader 4 because the bot works on MT4. Then you will hit add to cart, and then you would check out just like anything else. So once you check out, you will receive an email. I'm gonna actually go take you to my Telegram channel right here, which also is gonna be a link to it in the description below. But once you receive this email that looks very similar to this right here, you'll send that to me as well, with your details, and then I will begin to pass your phases. And you want to make sure that you join this Telegram channel, because as you can see, it's people winning every single day, y'all. And you know, everybody's just having such great success with it. Not only me, you know, I no longer have to just speak for myself. You know, other people are winning as well. So once you send that over to me, from then I will start on your phases. And if you would have got a 100K account, after you bought the account, you would have sent me your login details and also a payment of $700. Now, we take payments in PayPal, but it is going to be a 10% fee with PayPal because there's so many fees that's associated with PayPal. So you would have paid the $700 fee. I would have passed your phase 1 and phase 2, and then we also have, once you become a funded trader, we also have a monthly management EA that we can do it for as well. So if you would have did 100K, it would have been $500 for your first month. And then going forward, it would have been $1,000 a month. And then this is like the profit targets that we have. We aim to get anywhere from 10 to 20%, but due to Forex being such a volatile market, you know, it's no guarantees with the profit or, you know, just any returns at all, you know, because with Forex, you can lose some or all of your investment. So this is pretty much how to explain, to break it down to someone who doesn't, you know anything about Forex. So it's all automated. It does have risk involved. You know, you can lose some or all of your capital, but this pretty much is the easiest way to get automated money in 22 and 2023. And like I said, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you join the Telegram, you know, Make sure I gotta drop a link to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the Telegram. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel as well. And then I'm also gonna leave in the description below the links, the links to the Telegram and the video also that explains what a prop firm is. So see y'all back later on today with an update of all of the accounts that I passed for this week as well. And see y'all in the next video. Good night.